Hi everyone, we will be presenting on our chemistry assignment. The title of our assignment is Benefits of Nuclear Energy for Electricity Generation Do Not Outweigh Its Potential Harms. Our group consists of 3 members. They are Andy, Selway, and Cosmos. This is the outline of our presentation. What is nuclear energy? Nuclear energy is the energy produced from nuclear fission. Nuclear energy is considered one of the most reliable energy to generate electricity because power plants are operated continuously. This in return can provide constant supply of electricity to everyone. So how does nuclear energy work? The splitting of the atoms produces heat which heats up water to produce steam. The steam produced is used to turn the turbine of the generator and produce electricity. Do the benefits of nuclear energy for electricity generation outweigh its potential harms? No, this is due to the health, safety, and environmental issues of nuclear energy. Firstly, health issue. Nuclear energy can cause radiation whether in high or low level. Despite the level, it is still very dangerous for humans. Radiation from nuclear power plant can cause serious diseases, especially cancer. There are many types of cancer which are linked to radiation from nuclear power plants such as lung cancer, skin cancer, and stomach cancer. According to Moniz 2010, thyroid cancer is one of the most common cancer people get when they are exposed to the radiation from nuclear reactors in Pennsylvania. The rate of thyroid cancer in Pennsylvania increases drastically from the mid-1980s. It is now believed that the rate is 44% above the national rate. In eastern Pennsylvania, it has the highest number of nuclear power plants. How exactly does radiation cause cancer? Radiation consists of small subatomic particles that can travel or near the speed of light. Despite the small size of the subatomic particles, it is still strong enough for them to penetrate deep inside the body. This may destroy the biological cells and causes cancer. Remember the thyroid cancer case in Pennsylvania which I mentioned earlier just now? The small metal particles can spread through the air, rain, and even our food. Once it enters the body, it destroys the thyroid cell and eventually causes thyroid cancer. Radiation affects animals as well. According to Dale Lemore 2011, radiation can reduce the chance of success with reproduction. Therefore, the population of certain species is decreasing. This is the list of the radiation dose and effects.
Benefits of nuclear energy for electricity generation does not outweigh its potential harms because it may occur high known risk in an accident. Irresponsible decisions can lead to nuclear accidents, include both nuclear and radioactive accidents and incidents by severity. Like example, carelessness workers had been mixing too much uranium with nitric acid that leads nuclear fuel set off the accidental uncontrolled reaction. Such cases are rare, but one accident can cause death of lives. Besides that, the cause of the nuclear accidents could be a failure of a nuclear reactor accident's radiation and the cause of a natural disaster. From this figure, the earthquake and tsunami have damaged the nuclear plant badly, causing nuclear meltdown based on the article Fukushima Worker Dosed by Contaminated Water Leak in year 2013. Apart from that, the Chernobyl nuclear power plant in Ukraine, formerly part of the Soviet Union, exploded, creating what has been described as the worst nuclear disaster the world has ever seen in year 1986, which is accordingly to La Nina 2013. In this figure, it shows that the area is contaminated by radiation after the Chernobyl disaster in Ukraine. According to the article, Japan earthquake explosion at Fukushima nuclear plants in year 2013. Nuclear explosion will lead to devastating effects. Some of the symptoms include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and fatigue, which is shown in the picture. In addition, people who work at the nuclear plants and live near to those areas are at high risk of facing nuclear radiation if it happens.
One of the potential harms of using nuclear energy is the production of nuclear waste, which is a great impact to the environment. So, what is nuclear waste? According to the article What is Nuclear Waste? 2013, it is a radioactive waste produced in nuclear reactors, residue of research project on nuclear substances, medical uses, and also experiment in manufacturing nuclear weapons. Besides that, the waste has categories in general, which is high-level waste and low-level waste based on the longevity of radiation. Long-lasting waste is classified as high-level waste, while short-lasting waste is classified as low-level waste. A study on the impacts of nuclear waste shows that nuclear fuels from the reactors are 7 times more hazardous per unit of electric output because of the sharp increase in the amount of easily released, dangerous and long-lasting isotopes, for instance, iodine-129 that produced by the reactors. Moreover, according to the article Radioactive Waste, Myths and Realities by the World Nuclear Association 2012, the nuclear industry still has no way to decompose the nuclear waste without bringing other harms. They are just storing those high-level waste in the interim storage facility. The interim storage facility are specially built for containing radioactive waste safely. It is a space that can fit in around 100 double-decker buses, while the nuclear waste produced worldwide per year is about 12,000 tons. Try to imagine if the nuclear waste continued to increase like that every year, compounding the increase of nuclear reactors. What will the world be after 100 years? The pictures are the consequences of nuclear leakage in the Fukushima incident. As conclusion, the usage of nuclear will eventually lead to a lot of issues and problems such as health issue, safety issue, and also environmental impact. Long-term exposure will cause mutation of cell which will become cancer in the end. Besides, nuclear reactor poses high risk to the living things in surrounding as accidents can occur anytime, and also it produces waste that contaminates the environment. This is our list of references. Thank you for watching.